Rafale jet manufacturer faces major setback, Pakistan's historic achievement. Pakistan's military recently achieved a historic victory by shooting down 3 Rafale fighter jets and 22 drones. This event not only demonstrated Pakistan's defensive capabilities but also dealt a significant blow to the French company Dassault Aviation, the manufacturer of the Rafale jets. Known for their advanced technology and stealth capabilities, the Rafale jets proved vulnerable against Pakistan's modern air defense strategies. This remarkable achievement has raised serious concerns worldwide regarding the reliability and effectiveness of Dassault Aviation's flagship aircraft. The jets, which were a proud addition to the Indian Air Force, were neutralized with precision, highlighting Pakistan's growing military strength. Destruction of Rafale jets. The Rafale jets, developed by Dassault Aviation, are a crucial part of India's defense program. Their destruction has raised questions about their quality and effectiveness. Despite their stealth technology and advanced performance, Pakistan's air defense system successfully targeted them, challenging the global perception of their invincibility. Damage to reputation. When a modern fighter jet, considered one of the most advanced in the world, is brought down by opposing defense systems, it significantly impacts the manufacturer's reputation. Globally, doubts have emerged about the aircraft's capabilities, affecting potential buyers who were considering adding Rafale to their fleets. Decline in popularity. Following Pakistan's successful operation, the popularity of Rafale jets is expected to decline. Defense authorities worldwide are now likely to reconsider the jet's capabilities and safety, affecting Dassault Aviation's standing in the global defense market. Financial losses. Dassault Aviation, which relies heavily on major clients like India, could face significant challenges in securing future contracts. This incident may lead to hesitation in defense procurement decisions, resulting in reduced financial gains and potential losses. Conclusion. Pakistan's successful operation is a significant blow to Dassault Aviation. This incident not only questions the capabilities of the Rafale jets but also affects the company's reputation and market position. Moving forward, Dassault Aviation will have to overcome major challenges to regain its standing and secure international defense deals.